just get into the details how to go with the gram staining, the detailed procedure of gram staining. So first we'll just look at what are the main stains we require for the gram staining. So the first one is primary stain, which is nothing but the crystal violet, and the next one is the mordant, which is considered as the grams iodine as mordant, and dehydrating agent as well as decolorizing agent, which is nothing but the acetone, and the secondary stain or the counter stain, which is safranin. So these are the different reagents we require for the gram staining. So apart from these things, we require the glass slides. Okay, the glass slides, inoculating glue, obviously the culture, and some cotton, and the spirit, as well as distilled water. And you can see we may require the blotting papers also. Now let us start with the experiment. So I had cleaned the area with the spirit, and in between these two burners we need to carry on with the procedure. So I am taking a glass line. So always place the glass slide on the blotting paper, and with a small piece of cotton which has been dipped in the spirit. I'm just cleaning the glass line. So always we need to go with a clean glass slide. So both the sides of the clean slide has been cleaned by using the spirit. And now we will sterilize the inoculating glue. So you need to wait till the nichrome wire has been turned into red hot. Sterilize the inoculating glue. Then cool it. So I am taking the distilled water. Put a drop of distilled water at the center of the slide using the sterile inoculating glue. So you need to place the drop at the center of the slide. You can see the drop has been placed at the center of the glass slide. Okay. After that, again sterilize the inoculating glue. Cool it. And I am taking the culture from the agar plate. So you can see the culture over here. Are you able to see the culture? So on the surface of the agar, so they have been inoculated the culture in the form of lines, which are called as the streaking lines or the streaked lines. So here you can see the separated colonies on the agar medium. Okay, so this is one type of getting the pure culture. So this type of this type of culture we are calling it as streaking, which is used to get the pure culture, that is we can get the isolated colonies over here. So I am taking that culture. So gently touch the colony. Any one of the colony you can touch it. And prepare the smear. So spread over the surface of the glass line by using the water drop to get the smear. After that, so always remember you need to go with the thin smear. So if you prepare the thin smear only, you can observe the cells as separate entities. If not, all the cells will be clubbed together and you cannot observe them properly. So now smear preparation is done. The next is heat fixation. So gently expose the slide to the flame. So we had heat fixed the smear also. Now let us add the crystal wire. So always add the stains near the sink only. So we had prepared the smear, we had heat fixed the smear. Now the next step, we need to add the primary stain, which is nothing but the crystal violet, to the smear. Okay, check whether the stain has been covered the smear or not and wait for 1 minute. Okay, so after 1 minute, let us add the grams iodine. So I am adding the grams iodine, which is nothing but the Morton, and we need to wait for another 30 seconds right now. Okay, so after 30 seconds have been done. Now we are washing the slime by using the decolorizing agent, that is nothing but the acetone. Okay, so the whole slide has been washed with the acetone, and the last step, we are adding the secondary stain, which is nothing but the safranin. So wait for another 1 minute and gently clean the slide by using the running tap water. Okay. So after this, air dry and observe under the microscope.